Welcome back in the series. In this particular lecture video, we're going to take a look at the model history tree of Autodesk Inventor. So the model history tree, or the model browser on the left-hand side of the software, allows us to perform history-based part modifications, modify or update feature dimensions, and also to change names of features to help organize them within our designs. So in Inventor, or really any parametric CAD software out there, as we're going through and designing our part or assembly, the model browser, the model history tree on the left-hand side, keeps a record of everything that we do in that design. Now, looking at it, you can kind of see that it almost represents a binary tree that we talked about previously. So all the features are recorded within the model history tree, and we can go back and make changes to those as we need to. But it does keep a record of the sequential order that we create these features. Now, in a limited sense, we can go back and reorganize them, but it's not always easy to, depending on how things are interconnected together. So a lot of times it's really smart and really practical to think about how you're going to design something ahead of time. So I mentioned previously that we can go back into the model history tree and we can make changes to features in our design. It's as simple as going to that model browser, right-clicking on our feature, and then editing it. We can also do the same thing and rename our features. That way we have an easier record to recognize our features within our design. Now, one thing to be careful is if we do make a change to a feature, we have to be conscientious of how that's going to change features later down that order. So it is possible to break something in our design by changing a previous feature. And that's it for this one. It's pretty short, sweet, and to the point. So remember, in our model history tree, we can always go back and make modifications to our designs from that particular area in Autodesk Inventor. So I'll catch you in the next video, and until next time, be inventive.